Learn how to play Valorant in low-end PC. If you want to play Valorant or any other high-end game in your low-end PC, 2 GB RAM, 4 GB RAM, 8 GB RAM, and a i5, i3 processor, and if you're getting low FPS, this tutorial is for you. And this tutorial is especially for Windows 10 and Windows 11. Alright, so I'll be telling you very simple steps without installing any third-party software. You can increase the FPS in Valorant, you can increase the FPS in any other high-end game. So please make sure you watch the whole tutorial and follow the whole tutorial in sequence wise. So the very first step here, you need to do a right click in the start icon and then click on run. And here you need to type DX DIAG. Once you do that, you need to click on OK, and very soon a new window will appear, DirectX diagnostic tool. Now this DirectX needs to be updated, and here you see a lot of detail about system information. Please do a check mark here, check for WHQL digital signature, and if you're getting an option to update, then update this DirectX. Next is to go to the display and here check which chip and manufacturer graphics driver you have, and you don't have to do anything here. So basically we just need to visit this page and do a check mark, check for WHQL digital signatures, and it will update this DirectX tool for you. Once this is done, you need to close this, do a right click again and click on run. Now the next command you need to type is sysdm.cpl. So I'll just maximize it so that you can type it. Once you type it, hit enter, and you will see a window like this: computer name, hardware, advanced, system protection, and we need to go to this advanced section. So if you want to boost FPS, if you want to play lag-free Valorant game on low-end PC, then you need to go to this advanced section and then go to performance, and here in settings we need to select let adjust for best performance. Now the moment you select adjust for best performance and click on apply and OK, the moment you click on that, overall the look will not be good. Like if you have any customization and wallpapers, background, overall look and feel will be different, because all of your computer resources will be used from now onwards to give you better FPS in games. Alright, so whenever you are in gaming mode, whenever you want to play games, you can come here, select this adjust for best performance, click on apply and OK. And once you're done with the gaming and you want your computer normal back, then you can select let Windows choose what's best for my computer. So here I'll keep it let Windows choose what's best for my computer, because I'm not playing game right now, and I'll just click on apply and OK. But whenever you want to play games, select this adjust for best performance, and you do not have to do anything here, and you just need to restart the computer and start playing your game, and I'm sure you will get better FPS, better gaming experience. There are two more tips which I want to share. The first tip is to update the graphics, and for that you can simply do a right click and go to device manager, and here we will go to display adapters, and from here you can update your graphics driver. If you have updated your graphics driver, you can take the name here. I mean, if you're unable to update, then take the name of the graphics from here, download from the manufacturer website. Make sure you have the latest graphics driver to installed in the computer. And the next thing which you need to do is to disable the startup items. Do a right click in the start icon, click on run and type appwiz.cpl. This is also a very critical and important step which will improve the performance of your computer, also boost the FPS for Valorant or any other game. So once you type it, uninstall any unwanted application from here, appwiz.cpl, and then click on run. Just do a right click in the start icon, and this time you just need to open the task manager. So just do a right click in the start icon and then go to the task manager. And here you have this processes, performance tab, then app history and startup apps. Now under startup apps, you need to click on this status option. Please make sure you do not disable any graphics, sound, Wi-Fi, audio, security. Just leave those enabled. Please do not, disable them. Only disable those unwanted applications which you do not need at the startup, like Cortana, Microsoft Teams, or Skype, or any other application. Once you're done, you just need to restart and also update your Windows by just doing a right click or simply click on the search icon and type Windows and space update, and you will find Windows Update settings. Please make sure you have installed all the latest updates in your computer, and then you can start playing games because you have done all the basic and necessary optimization and your computer is ready to perform for any game which you want to install. So if you have been playing Valorant game for a long time, and once you do these steps which I have shown you, you will definitely have better FPS and better performance. If you have liked this tutorial, please leave a comment that is it helpful or not, and does it, it has increased the FPS of your games or not. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.